Hello, this is Jay-cob. You're here because you wanted to know who made hell. Some say God, others say Satan. Now what about you? Can you give me your guess? Now if you say God, click that like button. And if you say Satan, click that dislike button. Or you may write down your answer in the comment section below. Now I'll count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done? Now, do not change your answer. Be honest. Let's check if your answer is correct in the truth. Some people proclaim that they went down to hell and saw Elvis Presley, Dolphy, the Pope, and other wicked celebrities and even their parents. And they saw Satan tormented the people who went down to hell using his big fork. Is this true? Now let us open our Bible and study who made hell, or who is the ruler of hell. Revelation chapter 20 verse 10. It says here, the devil who deceived them was cast into the lake of fire and brimstone, where the beast and the false prophet are, and they will be tormented day and night forever and ever. Bam! This strongly contradicts to that teaching and to the claim of these people that they went down to hell and Satan tormented the people in hell. Look at that. The devil was cast into the lake of fire. He was cast into the lake of fire. That means Satan has no control over hell, to close it or to open it. Right? It means to say he is not the ruler of hell. And then look at that. And they will be tormented day and night forever and ever. Their vision says Satan tormented the Pope, the celebrities. But you know what? In the Bible it says here, they will be tormented. Satan, the false prophet, and the beast will be tormented day and night forever and ever. Moreover, when Christ comes in His glory, He will judge the nations. He will divide the nations into two groups, like a shepherd who divides the sheep from the goats. Now, in verse 41, He says to the people who were in His left, He said to them, then He will say also to those on the left hand, depart from me, ye cursed, into the everlasting fire prepared for the devil and his angels. Look at that. The everlasting fire is prepared for the devil, for Satan, and his demonic angels. So if it is prepared for them, they did not make it. He would be a foolish guy if he prepared a place for their own torment. Somebody must have made it for them. And who? Of course, the answer is God. The Bible does not have a direct quote, God made hell. But we know that it is prepared for Satan and his demons. And also God wanted to punish Satan and all his host because of their rebellion. And to realize that, God prepared an everlasting fire for them. So, the ruler of hell is God, and the maker of hell is God. He prepared this for Satan to torment him forever and ever. Someday, heaven will be free from sin and temptations, and we will all be joyful and victorious because Satan is already imprisoned in hell. Next week, we will discuss about what is hell like. So please subscribe and click that little bell so you will not miss our next video. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.